Wall Street I can, but I'm not going to do as much live trading this year. It's too hard when I'm trying to do it live with everybody. It ends up just wrecking my accounts. I hate doing that because I get concentrating on either I'm trading the whole time with the live account with my money. That means then I don't get to train, or I forget about things that I'm not as on point because I'm training people. It just doesn't work out. It really doesn't. That's why the other people you guys see never train any of you ever. You just get to watch them trade and then they leave. Has anybody noticed that with the other groups? That's all you get. You don't get training. You stare at somebody. Yay. I'm more in the camp of let's train you. Right here, look at this pullback on SPY. Like I said, respecting the 9. Beautiful to the downside. 593 gold level.